Let's see why we can state that the ROBUR gas absorption heat pumps use renewable energy. Renewable energy is the free energy available from the environment. There are many different types of renewable energy: solar energy, wind energy, geothermal energy, and energy from the outdoor air. The ROBUR gas absorption heat pump can use two of these renewable energy types. Geothermal energy is utilized with the GAHPW-LB model, and the energy from the outdoor air is utilized with the air source GAHPA and AR models. The ROBUR gas absorption heat pumps then combine these renewable energies with the energy produced by the combustion of natural gas, achieving dramatically higher efficiencies than any other heating technologies. Plus, higher efficiency means lower natural gas consumption, and lower consumption means lower running cost.